So in the previous class, we had discussed about the basic things. Let's say we had discussed about all the four normal ES reaction. Now today we will discuss about the directing influence of group attachment. Directing influence. Directing influence towards whom? Directing influence towards electrophile. Although I had given you hints earlier, hints like, let's say, if you have EDG, okay, if you have EDG, okay. Now once electrophile comes, so there are three places where this electrophile can be attached. Benzene ring will attack on this electrophile. Wait a second, don't write it yet. Benzene ring will attack on electrophile, and once benzene ring does so, you have three places where you can attach your carbo. Oh, you can attach your electrophile. For example, you can attach here, then you will get this carbocation. You can attach here, then you will get this carbocation, or you can attach it here, then you will get this type of carbocation, isn't it? These three possibilities are there. Now let's understand about the possibility, these possibility, and let's check the stability of carbocation form. See, I hope you can see in all carbocation you have having resonance. Can you see? In first case, when I will show resonance, in first case, if I will show resonance, I will get something like this. When I show the resonance in second, when I show the resonance, oh sorry, I showed it wrong. When I show the resonance in second, I get something like this. Either plus will come here or it will come here. Are you getting this? I will show just one. Let me show just one only, not entire. Just the half resonance is sufficient. What I am trying to do here, I will explain what I actually want. And once if I show resonance here, I get this. Now I hope you understand. In first case, first and third. In first and third, what is happening? Positive is directly in influenced of EDG. Can you see this thing? In first and third, what is happening? Your plus is right under the EDG, isn't it? Oh, see, wait a second, I made a mistake again. Why I do such thing? Here, it is not EDG here. EDG is right on the top. And you don't tell me also, you said you have made a mistake. See here. Now, in first and third, what is happening? Plus is directly under in influence of EDG. Whereas in second, influence of EDG is poor. Influence of EDG is poor, or you can say weaker. Why? Because plus is never coming right under EDG. Plus is never coming right under EDG. That's why there is possibility that you will not get fully stabilized plus, isn't it? Are you getting this? Now let's talk about further problem. So which will be more stable? First and third will be more stable, or second will be more stable? Yes. So that's why I'm writing the second one is least stable. So tell me, where this electrophile will be attached? Ortho para position or meta position? Yes, that's what we will write here. I hope it is clear. Okay. Now, if instead of, and I will not explain it completely, but I hope you will understand. If ETG is replaced by EWG, think if your ETG is replaced by, so what will happen? Second will become more stable, isn't it? Suppose if you replace your EDG with EWG, let's say I say here we don't have EDG, we have EWG, EWG, EWG. So your carbocation will not like to come closer to EWG, isn't it? Your carbocation will not like to come closer to EWG. In that case, 1 and 3 will become more unstable. 1 and 3 will become more unstable, isn't it? And 2 will become more stable. So what will happen? I am writing E plus will be attached to meta position of what? EWG. Please note this. Next starting point. Out of ortho and para substitution is generally more stable as due to, see the directly right, due to steric reasons. Due to steric reasons. I hope I have told this earlier as well. If you compare ortho and para, so para is generally more stable due to steric reasons. Why? Because in ortho, I hope you remember, let's say if you have something here, EDG, and you have here electrophile. So this electrophile will face repulsion. This electrophile will face repulsion from EWG. From EDG or EWG, doesn't matter. So less stable. But it happens generally. When I say generally means 95% plus cases it will happen. Okay? So let's start solving some questions. Let's start. My first question. A very famous question. This question is actually not from ES, it is from GOC. There are 4 rings. Arrange the rings in order of electron density. Or very similar thing can be asked, arrange in order of electron density or in order of EAS. Please get me the answer. Which ring is more electron rich? That's what you have to tell me. Yes, please. Giving you 1 minute. What? So increasing order or decreasing order? What? Decreasing order means you are saying like this. Hmm? Means fourth is most electron rich, then third, then first, and then second. Okay, let's try to do this. Can you tell me what effect of this group will act here? Plus I. Oh, sorry. Plus I. Which effect will act here? Plus I. See, I made the plus I smaller. Look at here. Plus I. I made the I bigger. And here, plus I. Plus I will be maximum, isn't it? I hope you did the same. Now, apart from plus I, you will have here hyperconjugation as well, isn't it? You have two alpha hydrogen. Look at here, three alpha hydrogen. So more plus H, one alpha hydrogen. So small plus H, no alpha hydrogen. So hyperconjugation is dominating effect or inductive effect? So which ring will be most electron rich? Second, yes. Then first, first, then third, and then fourth. So correct order is exactly the reverse of what you said. Why? Because you considered only inductive effect, but that is not true. In benzene ring, alkyl groups impart their hyperconjugation as well. So we have to consider that as well. So this is wrong. This is correct. Now this question they could have asked in any manner. They could have asked in order of ES, or they could have asked in order of nitration or halogenation. Whatever they would have asked, you can answer it, isn't it? Now I hope you understood this. Okay. Next. We get C2H5 and just one equivalent of Cl2. Major product. Tell me. Major product. One equivalent means reaction will take place just once. you have two molecules. So first of all, you must recognize what is this reagent, what it will do. Tell me what will be the use of this reagent, what this reagent will do. Tell me what this reagent will do. What? Yes, this will generate Cl plus. This is Cl plus. It is nothing but halogenation. Now, which ring will be more? Which ring will be more activated towards halogenation? First or second? Why second? Why not first? Yes. So minus M is EWG. EWG will not. EWG means the ring is positively charged. Ring is positive. Ring has so much amount of positive because of this EWG. So ring would not like to have this electrophile in it, isn't it? Electrophile wants electron, and you can't see electron in first ring. And if you look at the second ring, I hope you can understand there is minus on ortho and para majorly because of the hyperconjugation. Remember? So Cl plus will not go to the first ring. It will go to the second ring. And majorly at which place? Ortho or para? Yes, that is correct. This will be your product. That's it. Now the question is, in this reaction, what is happening? I'm treating your benzene ring with connected with I don't know what. This is what we call phenyl benzoate. It is ester of benzene. Now we are treating it with Br2 FeBr3. So they are saying major product will have Br at carbon number. You have to write the carbon number where your Br will be attached. Options are so many: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, please. Would you like to solve this? And before entering into this problem, tell me which ring is more electron rich, left or right? Which ring is more electron rich? What? Why? Okay. Okay. Any other? Anyone else? Anyone else with any other answer? See. Okay. Now, how will we decide? Let's understand first. Can you tell me for this benzene ring, the first benzene ring, the group which is attached, this group, it will have plus M effect or it will have minus M effect? Tell me. the, this ring, for the first ring, this group will have plus M effect or minus M effect. Just tell me this. Why? Yes. So this group will have plus M. For which ring? For left ring. And tell me, what will be the effect of this group for second ring? If you want, you can check the plus M and minus M series. I told you. This will have minus M for right ring. So which ring will be more electron rich, left or right? Which ring will be more electron rich? Left. So left is more electron rich, isn't it? Left ring is more electron rich. I hope you understand this. Okay. Now, once you say left ring is most electron rich, so where in which ring substitution will take place? Left ring or right ring? Let me tell you, this will give us Pr plus. So substitution will occur at left ring. And at which position? Ortho position of this O or para position? See, because of lone pair, you will get negative on 1, you will get negative on 5, you will get negative on 3. Why? Because plus M is acting here. Plus M is acting, that's why you will get minus on 1, 3 and 5. So where major product will be formed? 3. Why? Because 3 is at para. Para faces less repulsion, that's why major product will be on carbon number 3. So your major product would look like this only. Your major product would look like this only. This is your major product. Isn't it? Clear? Please understand and ask me everything. Wherever you feel doubt, just ask me. Because it is a very new thing to us. Okay? Whatever doubt you have. What? See, I told you this group. It will show minus M. Whenever you have resonance with a pi bond B. Remember I told this? Pi bond and more electronegative. So it will have minus M. And if you have A and lone pair, so it will have plus M. Okay? Now let me give you a similar type of question. Let's see, can you do it? Just draw the major product of this reaction. What is the reagent which we have used? What it will give us? HNO3 and H2SO4 concentrated. What? Yes, it is nitration. It is nitration. Okay. Please get me the product. Just a second. Yes. So what are you saying? Where this will be attached? Where this? Yes. Remember, for this left ring, this group will act as minus n, and this group will act as plus n. So this ring will be more electron rich. See how big a question and what is the small answer. Organic is like that only. If you understood, it will be very easy, no doubt. But if you try to mug it up, forget it. It will give you so much pain. Yes, this is the correct product. Okay, let's see some more. Or let me give you a question. Just a second. Can you tell me the product here? Yes, correct. It is Friedel-Crafts alkylation without rearrangement. Let's say I use just one equivalent here. I use just one equivalent here. Can you tell me the product? One Cl will be removed and that will be attached with benzene ring. That's what we discussed in the previous term. That's what we discussed in the previous one. Yes. One. Total carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and here it is here. Now, there are two paths. I'm drawing two paths. Tell me the product now. What? Can you draw the product? Draw the product, I'm saying. If you are saying it will be attached to 2 degree carbons, you draw the product. Now, first of all, let me tell you one thing. What is this reaction? What I'm trying. Do I have a Lewis acid? Can you see Lewis acid is there? AlCl3. Lewis acid is present. I hope you understand. I have benzene as well. I have benzene as well. Now I have this RCl as well. Can you see RCl? This is our RCl. So you have benzene ring. I hope you can see the benzene ring. I hope you can see the RCl. Now, can you think about the product? Which reaction is going on? It is nothing but Friedel-Crafts alkylation. But I don't need any benzene ring from outside now. Because in my home only RCl is present and in my home only my benzene ring is present. That's why I don't require any benzene ring from outside. In the previous, did I share the video of previous class? Did I share the video of previous class? Okay, okay, fine. Okay. See, I hope you understand. In case of first, let me show you what is the difference between AlCl3 and FeCl3. In case of AlCl3, you will firstly get this. You will firstly get this carbocation. And in second case, you will not get a carbocation, you will get something like this. Remember? Now, I don't need any ring from outside. I don't need any ring. Now, what will happen? My benzene ring will attack on this delta plus. My benzene ring will attack on this delta plus. Similarly, this benzene ring will also attack before attacking here. Before attacking here, what will happen? You will get to see this hydride shift, isn't it? Now, once hydride shift occurs, you will get this. Now your benzene ring will attack here. It has become 2-degree carbocation. Now this benzene ring will attack here. So in first case, in FeCl3 case, you will. I hope you can see you are going to get a ring. Can you see this thing? You are going to get a ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many member ring? 6 member. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is your 6. So you got a 6 member ring here, isn't it? Don't worry about deprotonation. Deprotonation will take place. Don't worry. We don't have to worry about deprotonation. We just have to generate carbocation or and we just have to simply attach to the ring. Now, in this case, AlCl3 case, how many member ring will be found? How many member ring will be found? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time we'll get a 5 member ring, isn't it? Like this. And here, one alkyl group will be attached like this. This will be the product of second. Okay? These are major. Let me know if it is done. Done? Great. Moving forward. Now, product. Product. Remember alcoholic KOH? Hmm? Do you remember alcoholic KOH? Huh? Forgot. You forgot. Isn't it? Check in your notes. It is there. And to be very precise, just go to the elimination reaction. Please go there. Have you found something? Yes, you take your time. I'm waiting. What else I can do? Huh? That is not even CV. It is E2 mechanism. E2, yes. So you'll get this. Beta elimination. Like this. I wanted to give a further question, but leave it. Just draw this one. Mark a star, write one point. No, we'll mark a star. See, this is important for advanced only. During acylation, let's say if acylation is going on, electrophile is R C double bond O. Remember, this is your electrophile. If R plus is very stable carbocation, bracket 3 degree or resonance stabilized, then instead of acylation, alkynation takes place. Alkylation takes place. Instead of acylation, alkylation takes place. What do we mean by this? Let's see how it happens. I'm saying, let's say this is very stable molecule. This, oh sorry, this is your carbocation. I hope you understand this is resonance stabilized, first of all. That's why it is formed, isn't it? Now, what I'm saying, if R is capable of forming a stable carbocation, so something like this may happen. Something like this may happen. Can you tell me what is this? Can you tell me what is this? This is carbon monoxide. Is it a stable molecule or unstable? It is most stable molecule. There is no molecule more stable than this CO. Even your N2 is not that stable as compared to your carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is highly stable. So it can easily be formed provided this R plus, it is either 3 degree or resonance stabilized. Isn't it? So instead of your acylation, now R plus will become electrophile. Now R plus will become electrophile. Let me show you how. Can I give you an example? Please complete it fast. Let's say if I ask you the product of this reaction. If I ask you the product of this reaction. Now, what will happen? I hope you understand. First of all, you will make this. You must make this. You must make this. This is the electrophile generated, RCO plus. Now, I hope you understand if I break this bond, this is 3 degree substrate, isn't it? So if I break this bond and release C double bond O, oh, sorry, release carbon monoxide, sorry. What I am going to get is nothing but this carbocation plus carbon monoxide. Now, is it stable or unstable? It is 3 degree. Now, what will be the product? What will be attached to our benzene ring? This 3-degree carbocation, like this. Please note this. Okay. Now let me ask you one more question. You have to draw product on your own. Yes, please, the product in both the cases. You have treated firstly benzene with Cl2 FeCl3. Then whatever you got, you treat it with HNO3 and H2SO4. In second case, you treat it firstly with HNO3 H2SO4 and then you treat it with Cl2 FeCl3. Let's see the product. Yes. Yes. In first case, you are correct. Because of first reaction, Cl will be attached on benzene. True. What? HNO3 and H2SO4, it is nitration. NO2 will be attached. You have made the first step very correct. First step very correct. Now in second step, in first one you are having HNO3 H2SO4. In second case you are having Cl2 FeCl3. What? Why not? See, what you are saying na, ki reaction will not happen. If instead of Cl2 I use RCl, means Friedel-Crafts reaction, then reaction will not happen. If I attach Cl2, RCl in place of Cl2, then only reaction will not happen. Friedel-Crafts reaction does not happen in such rings. But we are not having Friedel-Crafts reaction here. Now what is this? NO2, ortho-para directing or meta directing? This is, yes, correct. In meta position you will see Cl here. And what in the first one? Now I hope you remember that Cl is having what? Lone pair. So because of lone pair it is called ortho-para directing. I have given this sentence, but it is deactivator. Remember, deactivator means its minus I dominates. I hope I told this. In case of halogens, minus I dominate. Did I say this earlier? Yes. So here you will have NO2 on para position. So why I gave this question? See, we chose a different path in both the reaction, and we end up on different products. Suppose if they ask you to convert, benzene into this para nitrochlorine or para nitrochlorobenzene, or metachloronitrobenzene, whatever they want. So you will have to choose the path. Are you getting this? Please, please choose the path wisely. Yes, please. What? SO3H. SO3H. Now, if you want on ortho, so first of all, you block the para position. There is no other way. Block the para position, then only ortho product can be formed. Okay. Next. Product. Now, first of all, how reaction will start? First of all, think. Now, what will happen? This pi bond will attack on H plus, isn't it? Pi bond will attack on benzene ring. Oh, H plus. Now, once pi bond attack on H plus, you will get this carbo cation, isn't it? This much we have done in addition reaction. Now, once this carbocation is generated, this carbocation will simply get attached to benzene ring like this. Clear? I told you, doesn't matter from where you carbocation, you are generating carbocation. If carbocation is there, it will directly attach to benzene ring. One more question like that. Product. Instead of H plus, you can use AlCl3 also. Lewis acid also you can use. Yes, that is correct. You are saying it will break the bond. Yes, that is correct. What next? Very good. Hydride shift. Now and what? Yes, this is your benzene ring, and this is your electrophile. Benzene ring is looking for electrophile only. It will attack on electrophile and it will result in this product. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Done. Very good. Now let's see this one. Now make it C double bond. Let's see the product. Product. Where do you feel it will attack on? Oxygen's lone pair. Reading this, it should have been attacked on this end. Okay, wait a second. For simplifying this, let me rectify this question. Instead of O, you have NH2. Instead of O, you have NH2. Now you solve the question. Now I've simplified the question a little bit. Which nitrogen? There are two nitrogen. I mean this NH2 only. Why? Because its lone pair are not under resonance. Good. Now what you will get? Here it will become NH3 and here plus. What next? That is correct. Ammonia will be released. Leaving group. What next? Yes, like this. And I hope you understand a ring will be formed, isn't it? How many member ring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you count the member of ring total? Could you count? 6 member ring, could you count? Yes. And at the top carbon you have this also. Please note this. Like this. This will be your product. Okay. I hope it is clear to us. Yes. That is outside the ring only. Check. This is one. What? Understood? Okay. Great. Written? Okay. So I will send some questions and you go through them. Today I will stop here only. And I hope you understood the concept of EAS. Some more questions I have to discuss, but that I will discuss on the next one. Okay. Bye bye.